Okay, welcome to this video walkthrough of a second floor, 2-bedroom, super spacious, minutes away from Coolidge Corner. All right, so we have a foyer right here. Okay, so let's check out that first bedroom. Directly to the right, we have windows overlooking the courtyard. Some nice plants, lots of sunlight coming in. All right, sliding mirror door closet, really good size closet. All right, and into the bathroom, double vanity. Okay, some drawers, cabinets, standing shower tub combo. All right, now we have a toilet back here. Okay, and then the window, frosted, overlooking the courtyard. All right, and out into the foyer and into the living room. Plenty of space to set up a table, entertainment system, couches, sectionals. All right. Courtyard. All right. And back out into the foyer and into the second bedroom. Same great size. All right. Okay. And this is overlooking the side of the building. Okay. We have here closet, sliding mirror door closets. Okay. And an enormous coat closet right in the foyer, which, yep, lots of winter coats, plenty of storage. That right there is your central air. Okay. Washer, dryer stacked right there. That's your HVAC system. You got tiled floors in the kitchen. Beautiful stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, cabinets up top. Okay, and on this side we have your fridge with cabinets, built-in microwave, open range gas stove, more counter space, a little bit of room to set up a eating space, and we have a nice little private deck here. All right, to chill out. Enjoy your morning coffee, and that concludes our video walkthrough. If you have any other questions, reach out, angel@lmcrealtyboston.com. Happy hunting.